This is iBaby555. I got a AirSplat package. So let's open this up. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is first. Okay, so it's a, as you can see already, G36 cider, some paper. I'm really excited for this. They give me a poser. No AirSplat stickers. Anyways, let's open this up. This bad boy up. Oh, look at that. Anyway, manual. Manual again. To find a gun. Waiting for this the whole day. Okay, wall charger. Battery for the scope. Flashlight, I think. Yeah, some dot, I guess. I recommend using this. Best freebies. Straps. I do not recommend you use this. It may be fall off, but try in your bed. Goggles. Safety goggles. The place where you put the straps. Flashlight. There's no light yet. This is where you put the batteries. Scope. Oh, snowing. Okay. You don't see a red dot yet? You're not gonna see a red dot yet. Gotta look at the manual. Anyways, now for the gun. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that gun. Wow. Well, and this grip. Very light, I like it. Very light. Let's put it in here. Actually, no, let's put this later. Okay, so mag release. Wait, mag release. Design, really cool. Oh, this is just plastic inside. Hold about 42. And there's a BB inside already? Or is it? Yeah, it's a BB, alright. Pretty good gun. But I do not know where to put it. Put the BB. Anyway, speed loader. Oh, and battery again. So, let's customize everything. So, oh, and the suppressor. So, let me open it right now. Wow, very light. Take this part off and put the suppressor. Wow, look at this gun. Cool, really cool gun. I think this takes the battery only. There's no where you get them. Yeah, I guess this is some battery thing, whatever. Doesn't come with anything yet. So yeah. Yeah, so that's the gun. So, oh yeah, let's look at the hop-up. Okay, I can't find what it is, but, there's no hop-up or anything, so, yeah, that's all.